As an Amazon seller, there are multiple ways for you to price your products competitively when selling to Amazon Business customers. You can set business discounts to encourage Amazon Business customers to purchase your products. Business discounts fall under one of two categories: business prices and quantity discounts. Business prices are a single unit discount that is lower than the cost of the same product to retail customers. For example, you might sell an office chair to consumers at $50, but offer that same chair to business customers at $45. Quantity discounts are percentage off discounts or fixed discounts offered to business customers who buy in bulk. For example, you might offer 10% off of the total price when purchasing 5 office chairs and 15% off when purchasing 10 or more office chairs. When you set a business discount, only registered business customers will be able to see the discount. You can set business discounts in multiple ways. First, you'll need to decide whether to set static business prices or use dynamic pricing. Static prices and discounts are entered and updated manually in the Product Recommendations tab in the Growth Opportunities page or on the Manage All Inventory page. They don't change until you change them, which makes them useful if you always want to offer the same pricing to Amazon Business buyers. Dynamic business pricing and quantity discounts change automatically in response to changes in your standard prices. By creating and applying business pricing rules using the Automate Pricing tool, you can keep the same discounts in place for Amazon Business customers even when your standard prices fluctuate. For example, you might set a rule that keeps your single unit business price 5% lower than your standard retail price. When your product sells to retail customers for $100 and then for $120, it will sell to Amazon Business customers for $95 and then $114. Automating your business pricing in this way keeps your prices aligned. It also means you don't have to update prices in multiple places. You'll revisit the Automate Pricing tool in Seller Central each time you want to add or update a business pricing rule. In fact, we encourage you to review your B2B sales regularly, make updates to your pricing rules whenever you think they'll be beneficial. In addition to business pricing rules, the Automate Pricing tool can be used to create and apply standard retail pricing rules to your products and automatically syncs your standard and business pricing rules. For example, if you set 2 rules, one that keeps your standard price $1 lower than the featured offer and another that keeps your business price 5% lower than your standard price, these 2 rules will both run whenever you apply them to the same SKU. Your non-business price will always be $1 lower than the featured offer, and your business price will always be 5% less than that competitive standard price. You can also manage your dynamic business pricing using the Amazon Selling Partner API or the Amazon Service Provider Network. Business pricing rules can be a great way to keep up with your Amazon Business customers. They're also useful for streamlining and coordinating your pricing efforts. To learn more about how to use business pricing tools, search Set Business Prices or Quantity Discounts or Intro to Automate Pricing in Seller University.